Okay, and as we've moved on a bit now, I've added some extra features. So I'd like you to look very carefully at these because this is what gives the game its complexity. So what I've added now are 4 rocks. These rocks move at different speeds and move in different directions, and this happens quite simply. What I do is I've added pointing direction. I've chosen a pick random. So anywhere you can point from 1 degree to 360 degrees. And also go to the X location, I've said pick random. -225 is the left of the screen, 225 is the right of the screen. Y I've set at 176, which is basically at the top. What this means is the rocks will appear at random and always at the top of the screen. Now what I've then done is I've coded a collision between the rocks and the rocket, and basically what I've done is I've coded the rocket. When I receive hit, it's going to play a sound of squish pop as the rocket gets squished, and it's going to hide, which basically means it's going to take it off the screen. Here we have rocks as well. Each of the rocks, when they receive hit, they will hide as well. So basically they're going to disappear off the screen at the same time. So what else have we got? This is a very important block of code, and this is on each of the rocks. Forever, if they're touching the rocket, they broadcast the word hit. Everything is then operating from the word hit. So basically, when the rocket receives hit, plays the sound and hides. The stars will also receive hit. They'll wait 2 seconds, then they'll hide. Each of the rocks does exactly the same, so they all disappear at the same time. However, I've also included the star at the top. That is our destination. That is coded forever. If it's touching the rocket, it broadcasts win 1, because this is level 1 of our game. So if you win level 1, other things happen. If I receive win 1, waits 3 seconds, and then this text will show. And forever it's going to play this song. Waits for 8 seconds before starting the song again. That's important. If you don't put in the wait, it will just loop it every 100th of a second, and it just sounds like strange noise. So now we have a win and a lose situation for our game. Let's give it a little try. You see the rocks appear at random and going in random directions. This is quite hard for a level 1, but I'm going to deliberately crash. And I luckily escape. And that's my game so far.